Welcome back to Buy or Die. We make money on perspective stocks and I have no idea why you're still not with us. Subscribe, hit the like button and let's go. We are at the beginning of new month, the last month of summer that is going to give us SPCE holders 3 important events: earnings report and 2 test flights. The last week of July was without any surprises, typical SPCE roller coaster, ups and downs between $28.9 and $31.9. But soon this consolidation will be over and August will show us where we're going to be. Some analysts and traders already have their forecasts about SPCE future price. Let's open TradingView and look through some of them. Here we go. SPCE along the pullback at key Fibonacci retracement, entry price 30.40. Not bad. Okay, let's choose only the fresh ones. So SPCE has been out of favor for a while, but could it be ready for move to the upside? Firstly, it's consolidating at the daily 200 SMA. Secondly, the RSI is also basing at the 38.2 level. This level acted as strong support and resistance in the past, so this level of RSI has to be respected. Okay, put on together favors. Okay. The next ones, basing around the 200-day, looking for a swing trade out of this consolidation area, 35 for the upside and 28.50 for the downside. I don't think this is a bear flag, as there is really no high lows within the consolidation for an upside argument, and for a downside it has broke above and breached below the 200 twice over the last days. Trade out of the box. Okay, searching for another one. This chart simply shows the length of time SPCE has spent below the 200-day MA in the past. This may help some of you manage your expectations. Let's look at this chart. Okay. It's possible that things have changed and as the hype may have reached its climax, but based on technical analysis we have zero indication at this time that this is true. So far the uptrend is intact and the price is behaving normal, as we can see based on historical price action. In the past we have seen that any buy below the 200-day moving average has been well rewarded. However, there is always the chance that this time is different, as with any trend. Okay, and let's open this one. SPCE is in a long-term upward channel. Okay. Well, as we can see, most people expect SPCE stock to have bullish trend, but not an overwhelming one. Yeah, so $35 sounds possible for me in current conditions before test flights and other announcements. But when we talk about Virgin Galactic, nothing is certain. This stock can surprise both in positive or negative ways. In my opinion, we went through all negative vibes in July and August should be more positive. Let's wait for earnings report on 5th of August this week and see what future holds for us, SPCE holders. Well, I'm waiting for your SPCE stock predictions in comments. I'm waiting for your subscriptions because it's much better to make money together. And see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Bye.